Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K. These dissolve in fat, get absorbed with fat, and can be stored in your body. Think of them as the slow-release vitamins. They hang around longer. Vitamin A, the vision and immunity specialist. Vitamin A keeps your eyesight sharp, especially in low light, and supports healthy skin and immune defenses. When levels drop, the signs are pretty obvious. Night blindness, dry eyes, and a higher chance of getting sick. You'll find it in carrots, pumpkins, spinach, mangoes, eggs, and liver. And because it's fat-soluble, you absorb it better when you eat it with something like butter, avocado, or olive oil. Vitamin D, the bone and muscle regulator. Vitamin D controls how your body uses calcium and phosphorus, the minerals that keep bones, teeth, and muscles strong. Low levels can lead to soft bones, bone pain, and muscle weakness. You get it from sunlight, fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods. And here's the wild part. Around 1 billion people worldwide are low in vitamin D, mostly because they don't get enough sun. This is one of the most common deficiencies on the planet. Vitamin E, the antioxidant shield. Vitamin E protects your cells from damage and supports immune function. Deficiency is rare, but when it happens, it can cause nerve issues, muscle weakness, or anemia. Top sources include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and wheat germ. Vitamin K, the clotting and bone-building expert. Vitamin K activates the proteins that help your blood clot, the ones that stop bleeding when you get a cut. It also helps your bones lock calcium into place. Low levels can show up as easy bruising, bleeding gums, or nosebleeds. You'll get it from leafy greens like kale, spinach, and broccoli, plus cabbage and fermented foods. Water-soluble vitamins, C plus B complex. These dissolve in water, aren't stored, and whatever you don't use gets flushed out. Translation: you need them every day. Let's start with the one everyone knows. Vitamin C, the collagen and immunity builder. Vitamin C helps your body make collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm, gums healthy, and wounds healing. It also boosts iron absorption and acts as an antioxidant. Deficiency leads to scurvy, bleeding gums, fragile skin, and fatigue. You'll find it in citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwis, bell peppers, and broccoli. And here's the catch. Heat destroys vitamin C, so fresh is best. The B vitamins, B1 to B12. The B vitamins work like a team. Each one has a different job, but together they power your metabolism, nerves, and energy production. Let's go through them quickly but clearly. B1, thiamine, the carb-to-energy converter. B1 helps turn carbohydrates into energy and keeps nerves and the heart functioning. Low levels can cause beriberi, muscle weakness, nerve damage, or heart issues. Sources: whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and pork. B2, riboflavin, the energy-releasing coenzyme maker. B2 helps create coenzymes that release energy from food. Deficiency causes cracked lips, a sore magenta-colored tongue, and skin irritation. Sources: milk, yogurt, eggs, lean meats, mushrooms, and fortified cereals. Fun fact, B2 breaks down in sunlight, which is why milk isn't sold in clear bottles. B3, niacin, the DNA repair and metabolism supporter. B3 forms NAD and NADP, molecules essential for energy, DNA repair, and fat metabolism. Deficiency causes pellagra, dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Sources: poultry, fish, peanuts, and fortified grains. B5, pantothenic acid, the coenzyme, a builder. B5 is needed to make coenzyme A, crucial for energy release and fatty acid production. Deficiency is rare, but may cause fatigue, irritability, or burning feet. Found in almost all foods. B6, pyridoxine, the mood and sleep regulator. B6 helps your body use amino acids and supports serotonin and melatonin production, meaning mood, appetite, and sleep all depend on it. Low levels can cause irritability, anemia, and poor sleep. Sources: fish, potatoes, bananas, and chickpeas. B7, biotin, the hair, skin, and nail helper. B7 supports enzymes that convert fats, proteins, and carbs into energy. It's famous for supporting healthy hair, skin, and nails. Deficiency can cause thinning hair, rashes, and weak nails. Sources: eggs, nuts, seeds, whole grains. Bonus fact: raw egg whites contain avidin, which blocks biotin absorption. B9, folate, the DNA and cell growth vitamin. B9 is essential for DNA production and new cell growth, especially important during pregnancy, for brain and spinal cord development. Low levels cause megaloblastic anemia. Sources: leafy greens, beans, and citrus fruits. B12, cobalamin, the nerve protector. B12 is needed for DNA synthesis and nerve protection through the myelin sheath. It works with B9 to make healthy red blood cells. Deficiency causes the same megaloblastic anemia as folate deficiency. Sources: meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and fortified foods. Absorption requires intrinsic factor, a stomach protein, which is why deficiency is common in people with absorption issues or strict vegans. Putting it all together, here's the simple way to remember everything. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K need fat to absorb, can be stored. Focus on whole foods plus healthy fats. Water-soluble vitamins C plus B complex, not stored, need daily intake. Best from fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Deficiencies happen when diet lacks variety, absorption is impaired, sun exposure is low for vitamin D, cooking destroys nutrients, like vitamin C. Restrictive diets remove key food groups. You don't need supplements for everything. You just need a diet with color, variety, and actual whole foods. And that's the full vitamin lineup. Explained simply, clearly, and without the internet chaos. If you want more science made easy, hit subscribe.